How to install ripple fold drapery with belt hook Cato Traverse Rod. Follow these simple steps and you'll have it installed in no time. Here's the curtain set, including hooks needed. Here is the Traverse Rod set, including accessories for installation. Here are the tools needed for installation. Make sure to prepare them in advance. Okay, let's get started. Place the curtain track at the desired position on the wall. Use a spirit level to ensure the rod is perfectly horizontal. Use a marker pen to mark the mounting positions for brackets. Loosen the mounting plate from the bracket base by rotating it. Align the center of the mounting plate with the previously marked point, then remark the drilling points with it. Make the holes at the marked positions with a drill. Insert the expansion screws into the holes. Secure the mounting plate to the wall. Snap the cover plate onto the base. Align the bracket with the base plate, then rotate it into position until it locks securely. Note: if the bracket appears slightly misaligned, you can adjust by loosening the small side screw with a hex key. Use the hex key to turn the screw and remove the end cap finial. Slide the insert plate into the top groove on the rod. Align the insert plate with the screw hole on the bracket, then insert the screw. Secure them with a hex key. Repeat the same steps to attach the rod to the remaining brackets. Firstly, insert the fixing pin into the slot on one side of the rod. Slide the connector into the rod groove on the top. Align the adjacent rod slot with the pin and push firmly to connect. Finally, secure the connector with a hex key to create a continuous rod. Note: if a connector is used, a bracket must be installed at the joint to secure the connection. Align the connector hole with the bracket hole at the center point. Then tighten the screws with the hex key to secure the rod with bracket. Insert the curtain hooks into the grid to the right of the bold woven line on the tape. Place the carriers into the track in the order they were bound. Note: before inserting the last carrier, the outermost one, slide the flat end stop into the traverse rod. Then insert the final carrier. Position the flat end stop where needed and secure it in place. Reattach the end caps and secure them in place with an Allen wrench. Hang the curtain by hooking each hook onto the carriers in order. Finally, arrange the curtain into a ripple fold by alternating the folds in an S wave pattern. If you are using wand control, sold separately, the compatible wand hanger is required. Note: before installing the wand hanger, detach a curtain hook from the carriers. Then remove the hook from the grids on the tape. Align the center hook of the wand hanger with the bold woven line. Take 2 curtain hooks and insert them through the grids at the left and right holes of the wave hanger. Attach the wave hanger onto the 2 curtain hooks just installed. Hang the wand hanger onto the carrier. Finally, attach the wand to the wand hanger. Your ripple fold drapery with belt hook is now fully installed. Pair it with different track systems for stunning, unexpected looks. Shop now.